Hello, I'm Tim Albertson from the Montgomery County Department of Public Safety.
And I'm Lenny Brown from the Royersford Fire Department, where together we help people navigate emergencies and disasters.
It all begins here at our Emergency Operations Center, where we answer hundreds of thousands of 911 calls each year from every corner of Montgomery County. If you look closely at these true first responders, you'll notice they're not wearing a badge or a helmet. They're soccer moms and football fans, sons, daughters, grandparents, everyday folks who are highly trained to help you through life and death situations.
And it's not just 911 telecommunicators. When you're in the middle of an emergency, there's a whole network of people standing by, ready to help. What you're about to see is a behind-the-scenes orchestration of how police, fire, and ambulance crews come together to help.
This is how 911 works.
"911, where's your emergency?"
Hiya, I've just been in an accident.
Okay, what's your location?
You know, I'm not really sure. Oh, I think I'm at 4th and Spring.
Do you know what township or borough that's in?
Royersford. I'm in Royersford Borough.
Is anyone injured?
I think so.
Okay, I've got help being dispatched. Let me get some more information. How many vehicles are involved?
86-121, a vehicle accident with injuries.
Are they blocking
4th
the
and
roadway?
Spring.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of the intersection.
86C, copy the crash and
Is
route.
there anything leaking from any of the vehicles?
I'm still in the car, but I think there might be something, maybe gas. I'm fine, but it sounds like the other person.
86-121, 2 vehicles blocking with a fuel spill.
Okay, I've got an ambulance on the way.
Okay.
Okay, we've got help on the way.
86C, copy to dispatch station 98.
Go ahead and hang up and talk with the officer.
Okay, thank you.
86-121, okay?
Station 98,
86C, put me on location.
325, vehicle accident with injuries. South 4th Avenue
86-121,
on
okay.
Spring Street. Station 98, 325, vehicle accident with injuries. South 4th Avenue and Spring Street, Royersford.
County 325's responded.
325, okay. The caller's reporting no injuries on themselves. The other involved driver is bleeding from the head, also complaining of body pain.
County Rescue 98 route.
Rescue 98, okay, in your response. 2 vehicles blocking with a fuel spill. One bleeding from the head and complaining of body pain.
County 325's on scene.
325, okay, on your arrival.
County Rescue 98 on location.
Rescue 98 carrying a driver.
As you can see, a call to 911 puts into motion many moving parts of the emergency system. While you're still on the phone with the 911 call taker, that information is being relayed to our first responders on the police cars, the fire department, and the ambulance crews.
On behalf of our friends at Royersford Fire, the responders, and the entire team here at the Montgomery County Department of Public Safety, thank you for learning how 911 works.